In this lesson, we'll review a sentence completion problem. It's part of the critical reading section. We're on page 971, question 4 out of 5. This is a moderate problem. The twigs of this shrub have a signature blank whose pungency enables people to blank the shrub even in winter when its leaves have fallen. So let's look for the key words and try to predict the answers before looking at the choices. And the vocab really is not too hard. The one key word here, so describing the twigs, they have a signature blank whose pungency enables people to blank the shrub even in the winter when its leaves have fallen. The one key word is pungency, and this would really help you get the answer. I mean, I suppose you could sort of figure it out because, you know, what sense is involved after the leaves have fallen, but pungency relates to smell. This is really a strong smell. So that's the one key word. So they have a signature, and we're just going to call it smell, whose pungency enables people to blank the shrub even in winter after its leaves have fallen. So somehow this relates to people could determine the shrub or based on its smell. We're not really sure about this, but we definitely know that the first blank relates to smell. And so once you knew pungency, obviously aroma and scent, those are the only ones that work. We know it's not flavor, appearance, or texture. But this strong smell would allow people or enable people to cultivate or identify. And cultivate, this relates to preparing land for farming or crops. There's an alternate meaning of cultivate. You could cultivate a skill, you could develop a skill, but that's not the choice. It's simply determine, identify, definitely works. The answer here is E, and these other words, conceal, recognize would also work, but not with appearance, locate as well, but texture has to do with touch. And let me give you a couple other vocab words. So texture, a good touch word, not the same, but if something is tactile, can be touched and has sort of a palpable feel. And then with scent, we know pungency is a strong smell. A couple of other good words for smell. Redolent, and that it relates to sweet smelling. It's a pleasant smell. And one more word, olfactory. So mammals have olfactory organs, and that relates to the system of smell as well. But obviously scent and cultivate, not too hard of a question, just one key word, pungency. All right, the answer here is E. See you next time. Thanks for watching.